Welcome to Computics Technologies. In this video we will learn about MetaMask, how to install and use it. We will also learn how to buy a test Ether. Open MetaMask.io. MetaMask provides the simplest yet most secure way to connect to blockchain-based applications. It helps you work on different Ethereum blockchain platforms. Let's just install the Chrome extension. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. It will start downloading. Now it is added to Chrome. Now we will create an MetaMask wallet. So, you can import a MetaMask wallet via secret recovery phrase. Or create a new wallet. Create your own password here. Click Next. Here this is the secret recovery phrase. With secret recovery phrase you can open your wallet if ever forgot your password. So save it somewhere safe or in a text file. Here we will enter our phrase from first word to last as it is written. This how you enter your recovery phrase. Here we go. We successfully created the MetaMask wallet. From top right corner you can see your account along with other settings. Or you can see that on what network you are working. At the moment there is only one. So let's just add some test network. Just go to Settings. And then Advanced Settings. Just on this show test network settings. Now here you can see it added some test networks like Goerli, Sepolia, and localhost 8545. At the moment we do not have any ethers. Now I am going to tell you how to buy real ethers for your test network on MetaMask. As you can see I already buy 0.2 Goerli ethers. But how you can buy them? Open goerlifaucet.com. Sign up or log in on Alchemy. Once you create or log into your account, come back and paste your account ID. This is your account ID, copy it and paste it here and then click on Send Me Ether button. It will add 0.2 Ether to account. That's it for this video.